Hey everybody, quick tutorial on how to use my assignment slides. So every lesson that I have you guys do is you're going to start with clicking on the link that's in the assignment on Google Classroom, or you can just click on the attached slides. It should bring you to the Google Slides presentation. You don't have to be signed in to your SAUSD Learns account. For example, I'm not, and this should be viewable even if you're looking at it on your phone or some other device, but always the preferred device is on your Chromebook. Once you click on the lesson, you can go through the slides right here. It should say view only, so you shouldn't be able to mess anything up for other people once you click on it, or you can hit present if you want to see it full screen. Okay, so let's go through each slide. So what does each slide mean? The first slide is going to have the date, so you want to make sure it's the correct lesson you're looking at. The lesson number, the first number, like 16, this is just a sample I'm doing. This isn't actually one of you guys' lessons. So lesson 16 means it would be week 16 of school, dot 2, meaning the second assignment of the week. So you're going to do lesson 1.1 for the first week, and then lesson 1.2 will be the second assignment for the week. So the first number tells you the week we're in, and this is the assignment number, either assignment 1 or assignment 2. And then the date it's assigned. The first screen will always be the previous lesson solutions. So you want to go back in your notebook and check the previous assignment's answers and correct everything in red. I know that seems like an extra step, but it's really important when we do assessments that you've checked your work. So grab a red pen, check your answers, redo anything, and ask me questions if you didn't understand something. The next slide is the objective, what I'm trying to teach you for that assignment. So for example, convert an angle from degrees to radians. The next slide is the actual video where I teach you the lesson. It is always on my YouTube page. It sometimes plays back in this, but if it's too long, it won't. And sometimes you'll get this error message, and then it'll just say, click, watch this on YouTube, and you should be able to hit YouTube and go directly to the link. And again, they're all on my YouTube channel, and it should be clear which one, but this should take you back there. Okay, so if you can't play it within here, you can always watch it in YouTube or just click on the link, and you should be able to watch it. If there's any issues, please let me know. Then you're going to have the actual assignment. So the assignment may be something like do problems 10-3 through 10-8. If it says something like that, it means the problems are in your CPM ebook. Sometimes there might be a worksheet. It'll be attached either here or in the Google Classroom assignment. So then you're going to complete the worksheet. So problems 10-3 through 10-8, complete the worksheet, and you're going to do it in your own notebook. You don't have to print anything like a worksheet. You can just do it in your notebook. Please make sure you highlight answers and write your name at the top of the worksheet or on top of your paper. You should always be showing all your work. When you finish, double check your work, highlight answers, take a clear picture of all pages of your work, go back to Google Classroom and turn in this assignment. If you haven't already, check your previous assignment solutions and correct mistakes in red. And finally, the last slide will always say, if you need help, these are the different ways you can get help. You can always just leave me a comment on Google Classroom. You can talk to a classmate who's in my class about how to do the problems. You can rewatch the video or find something similar to it on YouTube. Tutoring, I'm always available Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 p.m. for honors and 1:30 for my period 1 algebra 2. And then you can always email me or even send like a voicemail message to nita.basso@sausdlearns.net. Okay, so that was just a quick guide on how to use my assignment slides. Again, this is just a sample. Please don't go through and try to do these problems. This is just a sample to show you your first real assignment will be posted on Thursday morning and due Sunday night. Thanks, guys.